Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Junction. My name is Amitabha Bhattacharya and I am your mentor for your NEET examination. So आज हम लोग बहुत ही एक शानदार टॉपिक पढ़ने वाले हैं which is very important for your chemistry in NEET examination, that is periodic properties and P block. So mastering these critical topics is key to acing your inorganic chemistry section. Okay, so let's start. So basically what we have to see is that the highly repeated zones in NEET examination. So we have selected from that section only, and along with this, if you read NCERT properly and thoroughly, it's good to go. So what is atomic radius? Decreases across a period and it increases down a group. This is very highly repeated in NEET examination. Then ionizing energy. It increases across a period and decreases down a group. Okay, so there's a difference between it. One increases and one decreases. Then electron affinity. Generally, it increases across a period and generally it decreases down a group. This is also highly repeated in NEET examination. Electronegativity increases across a period and decreases down a group. So this difference between these four things are very much necessary, very much important for your NEET examination. In the last 15 to 20 years, almost 6 to 7 questions comes from this segment. All right. So first chapter, that is periodic properties, expected question types. So basically कैसा कैसा question आता है, we have tried to select that thing only. So order comparison wala MCQs, like questions asking to arrange elements based on a specific property. Exception based MCQs, like focus on elements like beryllium, boron, that deviate from general trends. Stability based conceptual questions, like understanding the role of half-life and full orbitals. Then effective nuclear charge, that is ZEF concept, directly influences the atomic properties. This is a very frequently asked question. All right. Next, coming to the P block, that is high yield question, comes from this thing only. The group 15, that is nitrogen family, is very, very important. Like it focuses on variable oxidation states and unique properties of nitrogen. Then group 16, that is oxygen family, key aspects including the allotrophy, right? This is a very important concept, allotrophy of oxygen and oxidation state variations. Then group 17, that is the halogen group. It is highly reactive non-metals with diverse application and trends. And group 18, that is the noble gases, right? So inert nature, inert gases, noble gases are inert gases, and these are very important compounds of xenon to study. It's a advice from my side. Pay close attention to anomalous behavior and oxidation state trends with each group. Next, group 15 and 16. So let's study something about this. So the anomalous behavior of nitrogen, जो मैंने अभी कहा. So basically, due to small size, high electronegativity and absence of d orbitals and ability to form the bonds, this is basically a direct MCQ zone. Okay. Then the ammonia properties, preparation, structure and basicity. Oxoacid trend, that is phosphorus example, acid strength and structure of oxoacids. Ozone key points, these are the key points of ozone: preparation, structure, oxidizing nature, and oxidation state variation, that is -2, +2, +4, +6 oxidation state. So all these are the core concepts जो तुम्हें लगेगा for your NEET exam MCQs. ठीक है? So here I have already mentioned these things. So this is the group 17, that is the halogen group. This is very important. Basically ये reactivity trend है जो decrease करता है down the group. ठीक है? This is very high yield एक question है. Next is your oxidizing power order जो है, this order you need to remember, that is C, difluorine greater than dichlorine, then dibromine, then diiodine. Next acid strength, ठीक है, ये भी same increases down the group. Hydrogen fluoride, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen iodide. These are the interhalogen compounds. Formation, structure and properties you have to know. Then bleaching action of chlorine due to oxidation, permanent in nature. Okay. Group 18, noble gases. See, reason for inertness, I have already told you कि inert होता है, stable, electronic configuration होता है इसका octet और duplet, हाई आयोनाइजेशन एनर्जी. देन xenon कंपाउंड्स आर देयर, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन हो गया इसका, ये टेट्रा हो गया, ठीक है, टेट्रा, एंड दिस इज द हेक्सा. सो बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा यहाँ से. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ बॉन्डिंग एंड स्ट्रक्चर, यहाँ से कॉन्सेप्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आता है, ठीक है. सो द नीट स्ट्रैटेजी शुड बी कंपैरिजन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, एक्सेप्शंस आर फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क्ड. मेमोराइज करना होगा तुम लोगों को ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट का जो ट्रेंड्स वगैरह हमने दिखाया अभी, एंड फोकस ऑन द एनोमैली क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है, जो एनोमेलस बिहेवियर है उसके लिए. की टेकअवेज, दिस इज वन पीस ऑफ एडवाइस फ्रॉम माय साइड. रिकॉग्नाइज पीरियडिक एंड बॉन्डिंग पैटर्न्स, एक्सेप्शंस मेमोराइज कर लो, एंड मेमोरी, रिटेन फॉर्मूलाज, रिएक्शंस एंड फैक्ट्स, ठीक है. Thank you so much. Subscribe this channel and don't forget to connect with us in our all social media platforms. Thank you.